In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover massive amounts of storage space on your Android device using 6 essential system hacks. If you keep getting storage full warnings every time you try to download a new application or record a high definition video, your operating system is almost certainly holding on to gigabytes of hidden trash, duplicate files, and forgotten cache. Most people assume deleting personal photos is the only way out, but your Android device has several hidden cleanup tools built right in that let you reclaim a huge amount of memory without touching a single photo or video. Today, I'm going to walk you through the ultimate step-by-step routine to completely declutter your smartphone and restore its speed. Let us jump straight into the first essential step, which is permanently emptying your hidden system trash bins. Open your primary settings application. Scroll down through the menu until you find Device Care or Storage and tap on it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to find the Trash section, which collects deleted items from your gallery, your file manager, and your system apps. Select all the items sitting inside these bins and hit Delete All to permanently wipe them from your internal memory. Now let us move to the second step, which targets abandoned applications quietly hoarding space. Open your Google Play Store application and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Apps and Device, then switch to the Manage tab at the top. Tap the Filter button, which is currently set to Recently Updated, and change it to Least Used. This sorts your installed applications by how rarely you actually open them. Select the heavy applications you no longer need and tap the trash icon at the top to uninstall them cleanly. Quick reminder, if this is helping you out, please hit subscribe. Now for our third optimization step, we are going to purge hidden duplicate files and system junk using an official file manager. Open the Google Files application from your app drawer. Tap the menu icon in the top corner and select the Clean option. Tap on Clean under the Junk Files card to clear out temporary installation cache. Next, look for the Delete Duplicate Files card, tap Select, choose All Duplicates, and confirm moving them to the trash. And make sure you open the trash folder inside the Files application and permanently delete those items too. Otherwise, you have not actually freed anything. Now here is a massive pitfall you must avoid during this cleanup. Do not trust third-party cleaner applications from unknown developers that promise to boost your memory. These tools often run intrusive background advertisements, drain your battery, and can even collect your personal data without permission. Always stick to built-in system tools or verified official applications. For our fourth step, we need to inspect the hidden system folders and uncategorized media files. Return to your primary settings application, navigate back to Storage, and select Show More to expand all the categories. Tap on Other Files to review pending downloads, unlinked app data, and invisible system backups. Select anything unnecessary sitting there and delete it. Then step back and go through your audio files, your compressed installation archives, and your document folders and clear out any old downloads you no longer need. For our fifth step, we are clearing the accumulated cache from your most heavily used applications. Open your main settings application, tap on Apps, and use the Filter option to sort your applications by size. Select your largest daily applications, such as social media platforms, tap on Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Pay close attention here. Only tap Clear Cache and avoid tapping Clear Data because clearing data will log you out of your accounts. Repeat this for your top 10 largest applications and you will free up gigabytes instantly. And finally, for our sixth step, we need to reclaim the unmanaged system storage that standard tools simply cannot reach. If you look at your storage overview, you will notice a large block assigned to system storage that you cannot tap or clear manually. Over time, system logs and temporary operational caches quietly build up in there. The most effective way to force your Android operating system to clear this clutter and refresh its memory is a full reboot. Press and hold your power button, select Restart, and let your device boot all the way back up. And that is it. 6 hacks, and your storage should be looking a lot healthier. If this video helped you out, do me a small favor and subscribe to Device Guardian. It really does help the channel, and it lets me keep bringing you simple fixes and guides like this one. Now, if you still have space missing after all of that, check out my video called Free Up Gigabytes of Other Storage on Android. It is on your screen right now, and the link is down in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.